Okay guys, I'm going to go in here. Okay guys, so I'm up here at Seaview today, and last night you guys seen me try and set free this pigeon in the background, which you can't see, so I'll move to a different angle. But an update on this pigeon. So I set it loose last night when we found it inside, and it didn't go anywhere. So we thought it might be injured and brought it back inside at about 2:30 in the morning. So as you can see, the pigeon has been here overnight, and I've come back to see if I can get it out. Now, I'm thinking if I can get it outside, then I might be able to set it free, and if it doesn't fly away, then I will take it to a vet or somewhere where it can get the help it needs. So what I'm going to do now that I've checked and made sure it's okay, we'll see if it'll let me pick it up again. I will open the doors first so that we can let it out. So if it flies away during the day, that would be the best case scenario. So I found it on this ledge here last night, and it went to wander away. And I thought, oh, well, that's perfect if it wanders away. But a couple hours later, it was actually still out there, and I thought, well, it's going to get too cold. It's not with its flock or anything like that. So we're going to just try to catch it. It does look like it has a bit of a limp. It's all right. Oh, there we go. I don't know what that was. Even the birds. Come on, buddy. Come on. Go outside. This is why I'm worried, guys, because this wee guy, he sat on my hand and he won't go outside. He won't leave. Come on, buddy. You go out. It's all right. Go out the door, bud. Go out the door. Here we go. And that's what we want. Hopefully this time it goes somewhere though, because I'm really concerned that this bird is not going anywhere. This is exactly what happened last night. Okay, I'm actually just going to leave it here with the door open for a couple of hours again, and if it's still out there, I'm going to go and get it again and get it some help, because obviously if it doesn't leave this time, something's really not good. So yeah, if you liked this video of me trying to rescue for a second time this lost pigeon, hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell. So you guys should just take a second to do this, because it's not often you're able to handle a bird like this. And I've got Jessie Bear here. So yeah, we'll come back in a couple hours and hopefully it's gone. Found its flock again. Ooh. So up here in the Seaview building of all places, and a weird sound behind us. I don't know what that was. Okay guys, it's been a couple hours since I set our little pigeon friend loose. Oh no, looks like she's been back. Why is that door open? Pidgey, Pidgey Pidge. Oh, she's not here. That's kind of good. Awesome. She doesn't seem to be in here. Pidgey. Have a little look around. That's where I seen her last night and brought her back in. Doesn't appear to be on the roof or anything. Pidgey. Pidgey Pidge. Right, well she's gone guys. Wow, that was hectic. She doesn't appear to be here. That's good. Awesome. I can shut that again now. I don't see her on the roof of that house either. Well, that's awesome, guys. Well, I just walked in here to do my final outro and the door's open again. But the other way. There's no pigeon in here, so that's all that really matters. That's a heavy door too. Why does that keep opening? Alright guys. So even though the bird left a bit of mess, I want to keep that door, there we go. Keep the door in the frame just because that was weird. Even though the bird made a wee bit of a mess in here, it's good that she's made it back out there safely to wherever she was originally. So yeah, definitely hit the like and subscribe button guys, because it helps me out a lot and it's free for you, and we're all about animal welfare, you know. Got to look out for our animals, and I was really concerned that she was injured. It was almost as if, there's a seagull hanging around over there. It was almost as if she was seeking help, guys. So that was really crazy. I'm going to go see what that seagull's up to really quick first. But yeah, I'll catch you next time.